Here I've got a Genie 2042 operator that I've converted to run on the side of the garage door. Now I've got two 3-button remote controls that go with this, and then I also have the wall button and the photo eyes to go with it. I just got them mounted together just for displaying it. And I will go ahead and run this for you. It's really smooth and quiet. The door actually makes more noise than the operator. Now this unit is equipped with digital limits, so you can put this on any height of a garage door. And this one goes a little bit faster than the other models that I have for sale. So if you got any questions, let me know.